Fine. Now, while creating the table, the database function at that time, we need to maintain this options read only. Okay. Otherwise, it will not activate. It is showing something errors. Okay. This is a mandatory thing here. And by using the function, we cannot insert the data or we cannot modify the data in the table level. Just this is for fetching the data from the database table. That's it. Only for fetching, reading the data, not for inserting or modifying. These all things are not, it will not allow here. Okay. And coming to the previous one here, method, I'm just maintaining method insert material by database procedure. This is a procedure and I'm not maintaining here options read only. Okay. I will maintain it here. Okay. Let me check options read only. It is showing something error now. By adding this one options read only, it is showing something error here. So what it is showing error? So feature not supported, insert, update, delete is not supported in read only procedure. Because I am telling to the system, this is a read only only. Okay, read only. Okay, you should not insert or modify the data. By using this syntax, that is the meaning of that one. Okay, so system will not allow to insert the data or modify the data in the table level. And this is the optional in the procedure. Okay, just removing it here, options removing it here. Now there is no error. Activate it. There is no error. And coming to the function, okay, so this is the procedure, database procedure, and this one is the function, database function here. Okay, so in this one, this options read only is mandatory, and we should not use the insert and update syntaxes. Fine. And I'm writing like return select star from KNA1. Okay. And not required to mention the internal table LT underscore KNA1 like that, not required to mention it here automatically. So here I'm writing some keyword return. So return means automatically it will go to the class method declaration, and here LTKNA1 is the returning parameter. Okay, returning parameter. So whatever the data is coming from here in this select star from KNA1, all the data will move to LTKNA1. Okay, and return and exporting. Okay, both the functionality is same here. Both functionalities are same, returning and exporting. Okay, one different is exporting parameters can allow n number of exporting parameters. Okay, so in the last method I have implemented, I have used two exporting parameters, et underscore mad and ltmad. Two exporting parameters I'm using here. And coming to here, returning parameters, it should be only one. It should not allow more than one returning value here. Okay, that is the main difference here. And the table function is allowing only returning parameters. It will not allow exporting parameter. That is one condition here. We should not use exporting in a function, database function. We should use only returning parameter. And this is the certification question also. So in the database function, is it possible to apply some exporting parameters? So exporting parameters is not allowed. Fine, activate it, execute it. Execute it here. So it is showing something dump here. Okay, it's showing something dump. What is the dump here? Direct call of Amdp database function or DDL object. Okay, is implemented as database function or describe a DDL object. It is therefore not possible to call this method a direct method. Fine. means what it is showing. So here this is the database function, right? So you cannot execute the method directly. So that is one more condition here. Okay, if you want to use this one in CDS view, then okay, fine, directly you can use it. But if you want to run this one directly, this method directly running, that is not possible. Okay, so if you want to run this method, then what I have to do, I will create one more method, class methods, and here display customer. Okay, and here I am just maintaining exporting value of LDKNA1. TDKNA1. What is the error here? Implementation is missing, right? I will implement it now. So now what I will do, I will write like a method display customer, okay, by database procedure. Okay, and this is the procedure here, and this is the function. Okay, the function method cannot execute directly, so I am creating one procedure. Okay, so I will call this method get customer method, I will call from this display customer. Okay, now what I will do, call so what is the class name, ZCL underscore AOH2 and AMDP4, and the method name is get customer. So just remember, so whatever the code we are writing in the single quotation or double quotation marks, please keep it in the capital letters. Fine, and this class name and method name I will mention in the here using, okay, class name and method name. Fine. So what is the error here? So get customer is unknown. Okay, and our protected or private section, is it? So I have maintained in the public section only, protect private sections are not touching. I will remove it here. Removed, and the method is okay. And the internal table name is LT KNA1 is equal to, okay, both I will take here KNA2 something, KNA2 is equal to, okay, select star from, I will maintain like this and just remove it here. Get customer, yeah, this is correct only. I think this is correct, but something method cut customer is unknown or protected or private section. But there is no private and public. Okay, fine. So what I will do, I will get customer is unknown. Get customer is unknown. Sorry, correct only. See here, I am just maintaining something wrong class name. ZCL AOH2 AMDP4 I am taking, but the class name is this one ZCL AOH2 AMDP5. Okay, I am just maintaining the class name is different. Fine. Now what is the error? The user declaration for the object ZCL is not needed. Is it? And here, what is this one? Uh, okay. So this is the 5, right? The class name is 5 here. Now there is no error. 1 minute. Okay, I have mentioned the wrong class name, so it was showing something error. Now it is okay, fine. Activate it and execute it. Okay, so this get customer directly we cannot execute. Okay, I will come here. I will keep breakpoint, not require breakpoint, just directly execute. So I'm just executing this display customer. Okay, so execute it here. Now it is picking something data 264 records. Okay, fine. 264. How it is coming? Here LTKNA1 2. Sorry, LTKNA2. This is the internal table, and here I am writing select star from this class name and method name. Okay, then it will go to this class, this method get customer method, and it will fetch the data from KNA1 table. Okay, so this is the way to write a table function. Okay, and so this will be very helpful in the CDS views. We will use it. Okay, if you understand this concept, the database function, then it will be easy to, in the CDS views. Okay, so same thing, remaining same thing. How we are using procedure, database procedure. So same syntaxes we can use in the database function also. Okay, only one thing we need to remember. So directly we cannot, I mean, this table function, sorry, this database function cannot execute directly. Okay, by using one more method, we can call it. And it is containing something returning parameter, and returning and exporting both should be same here. The functionality is same here. Okay, the returning parameter will allow only one returning parameter. It will not allow more than one. But exporting parameter, it can allow more than one exporting parameters. So that is the differences here. Fine. Now I am just giving. I mean, one more thing. Just recap the. I mean, uh, uh, AMDP features. Okay. So AMDP is nothing but a class. Okay, normal class. How we will create the class in AC24, same class this one, but we cannot create it in the SAP GUI. Okay, we have to create in the Eclipse or AMDP. Sorry, Eclipse or HANA Studio, and it is always going to be global. Okay, so in AC38 transaction, I can create one local class also, right? But in that case, it will not work. Okay, this is a global class. In AC24 we can create it, but in AC24 means in SAP GUI we cannot create it. So I'm creating it in the Eclipse. Okay, I'm not using EC24 transaction, just right clicking on our package and creating the class. That is a global class here. And in AMDP class, we can write AMDP methods, AMDP functions, and normal methods also. Okay, we already shown it. I mean, AMDP methods we have created, and AMDP functions we have created, and normal methods also we have created. And AMDP methods will allow only pass by value. Okay, so we already saw that one. So here I'm just maintaining something value. If you don't maintaining something value, then what will happen? This is the pass by reference. Okay, pass by reference. Here it is showing something error, and unexpected format, something specified. If you maintain something value here, so then only it is activating. Okay, if you don't maintain a value, then this is the pass by reference. But pass by reference is not allowing, only pass by value is allowing here. And we should not use the nested structures and tables here. Means here I'm just using something internal tables, right? So in that internal table, we should not use the hierarchies like uh, here I'm using something structure ty underscore kna1, right? So in this one, something ort01 is there. So after that one, I cannot add something. I will take one field, and that field will contain some one more structure. Okay, in ABAP that is possible, but coming here that is not possible. Okay, nested structures is not possible. So one field will contain some work area information like that. So that type of information will not, that is not possible here. And generic table types will not allow in the AMDP. Means here I'm declaring something internal table LT underscore KNA1, and here I'm using something type and the TT underscore KNA1 I'm declaring. Okay, directly KNA1 is not possible. Okay, by using something, table types we have to declare. By using that table type only, we need to declare the internal table. Directly table is not possible here. So that is the meaning of this one. And AMDP method will not allow returning parameters. Okay, so normal procedures are there, right? So procedures will not allow returning parameters here. Okay, it will allow only importing and exporting parameters. And AMDP function method will not allow exporting parameters. Okay, so this is the AMDP procedure method, and this is a function method. Okay, procedure method will not allow returning parameters, and function method will not allow exporting parameters. Okay, and another procedure can call inside the AMDP method. Okay, so one method can call in one more method, that is possible here. And we should use if AMDP marker HDB. This is the first thing. Okay, we have to maintain this interface in the public section. And AMDP method or function method should not be empty here. Okay, in real time, we are implementing something. Method means something output we are catching and we are sending it to the ABAP layer. In AC38 transaction, I'm creating something program, and at that time I will call the method class and method. Okay, so it will go to the procedure method, and it will uh, do some calculations, and it will give some output, right? That output we should use in the AC38 program. So at least one output parameter will be there. Okay, exporting parameter will be there. So at that time, we should not keep it as empty. We should fill something data in that internal table. Okay, that's what it is showing here. And if we create the AMDP class and method, the database procedure will not save in the DB for the first time. Yeah, we already saw this one in the first class of AMDP. So after activating the AMDP, it is not creating any procedure in the database level. So after calling the method, then only the procedure is creating in the database layer. Okay, this is the certification question. So at what time the procedure will create in the database layer? Okay, so options will be like at the time of creating the procedure and activating the procedure and calling the method, some options will be there. Okay, so by calling the procedure, So by calling the method, then the procedure will create in the database layer. And if you want to declare variables, then we can use this one. I mean, dollar symbol, abap type, and the data element. Okay, and in middle of the method implementation, that is not possible. Okay, we need to declare at the starting of the method implementation. Okay, same thing. Declarations we cannot write in the middle of the method implementation. Those should be at the beginning of the method implementation. And need to implement client handling by using session context. Okay, and here I'm not using any. I mean, where condition MANDT. Okay, so here I have mentioned right MANDT is equal to session context of client. This is the mandatory thing. Okay, whenever you are writing the select query, so at any AMDP method, you should write that one. But I'm not writing here, but in real time, we should use that one. We should use that where condition. Okay, so these are the some points, main topics, main points regarding this AMDP. Fine, and I'm giving some real-time scenario. Okay, so I'm ordering. Okay, I'm ordering something, one laptop, mouse one, keyboard one. Okay, I'm ordering this. I mean, something grams. Okay, I'm ordering this one. Okay, so at the time the system will generate sales order number. Okay, sales order number. So it will contain some item numbers. Item numbers, and here sales document number 123, and the item number is 10, and the material is laptop, and the sales document number 123 only here. Okay, at a time I'm ordering these all things in Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, item number 20, and the mouse, and the 123 same, for 30 item, and this is a keyboard. Okay, same sales document number 40 item, the material is RAM. Okay, fine, this is fine, sales order created. Now I want to deliver it, right? I want to deliver it. So what will happen? So this is the delivery. Okay, delivery. So in this delivery, so what I am delivering here? So the delivery document number is 500. Delivery document number is 500, and the item number is 10. Okay, item number is 10. And now here in this 500, item number 10, what the sales order reference number? Sales order number is 123 here. Okay, so this is the reference number 123, the sales document number, and item number is equal to 10 here. Okay, so for this one, I am delivering something laptop one. Okay, and 50 or 500, and this is for item number 20, and here the sales document number equal to 123, and the reference number, the item number is 40 per sales order, and here the RAM. I'm delivering 5 times. 5 items. 3 items. Okay, so I have the stock. I mean, I have the laptop and mouse and keyboard. I have and RAMs, 5 RAMs only, or 3 RAMs I have. Okay, in the warehouse. Okay, I can deliver those all things to the customer. Okay, and remaining 7 RAMs. Okay, remaining 7 RAMs. I will deliver in the next day or the in 2 days. Okay, it is possible. Here I am just taking some I mean bit quantity here, but if you come to the real time, okay, the quantity will be in the tons. Okay, okay, fine. So here 501 I am just maintaining, and item number 10, and sales order number equal to 123, and the sales order item number is 40, and this is RAM only, and 7 items I am delivering here, or 4 items I am delivering here. Okay, so my requirement is I want to display the data like sales order number, SO item number, and the material, okay, and the quantity, okay, sales order quantity, and delivering delivery one. Okay, so here 123 the sales document number. Okay, but for 123 sales order number, they are creating two delivery numbers 500 and 501, right? So for the delivery one I have maintained, and what is the um, on which date it is delivering? Okay, delivery date also I require delivery date one. Delivery date one, and what is the quantity, how much they are delivering here? Okay, delivery quantity one. Okay, delivery quantity one. The same way, delivery two, and delivery date two, and the delivery quantity two. Okay, the same time, okay, delivery document three. Okay, up to 3 deliveries I am just maintaining here, and uh, in real time maybe chances are there. Okay, 2-3 times they can deliver. Okay, it will depend on the business. It will depend on their agreements like that. Okay, and fine, and the document date. Okay, so I'm ordering this one on the um 02/01/23. Okay, I'm ordering this one on the 2nd January 2023, and the delivery document number 500 is delivering at the date of, so this is the 5th 5/01 and 2023. Okay, but for the 5/01 it is delivering on 8th. Okay, 8th January. So this all information I want to display in a single line. Sales document number. Okay, sales document number 123 is there, and item number 10, and the material is something laptop, and the quantity is one, and the delivery one is the 500, and the delivery date is the, here I need to add one more column, right? Date. Okay, so the delivery date is, sorry, the sales order date is 02/01. Okay, and the first delivery date. So first delivery date is 5th 05/01/2023, and the quantity quantity is 1 here, delivering quantity is 1 here. Okay, and there is no remaining, because I mean only one laptop is there, and there, otherwise I will take here something 20 laptops. Okay, and here they are delivering 8 laptops. Okay, 8 laptops. Fine, and they have delivered only 8 quantity, and remaining where is it, laptop. So okay, fine. Okay, 20 laptops, right? So 8 is delivering and remaining 12 is pending, right? So that 12 is coming here, 12 pending. Okay, and the delivery to information is not available, means the delivery to is not happened yet. So remaining 12 quantity we need to deliver to the customer. Okay, and coming to the second line item, sales document number is same thing, and 1 2 3 is also same thing. Item number 40 I'm taking here, and this is the RAM here, and the I mean you need to consider all the things. Just I'm maintaining 10 and 40, and here the sales order quantity, this is the 20, and the quantity is 10 here. And for this one, for this RAMs, uh, uh, that 500 is the delivery number, and the document date is 05/01/2023. And what is the quantity they are delivering? Yeah, 3 quantity they are delivering, right? So 3 quantity will come here. And the second time also they are delivering here. Okay, 3 quantity, the first time they have delivered on the 5th. On the 8th of January, they are delivering something 4 quantity. Okay, delivery 2. So 501 is the 501 is the delivery number, and delivery date is 8th. Okay, 8th January, and the quantity is 4 here. Okay, and delivery 3 is not available. Maybe delivery 3 will come next after a few days. Okay, and as of now the pending quantity is a total 4 plus 3 7, and the total is 10 here, 10 minus 7 3, total pending is 3 here. Okay, 3. And I will go to one more thing. I mean sales order date is 02/01 2023, and the sales document number is 123 here, and the item number 20 here, and the second one is the mouse. Okay, and quantity is 1. Okay, and delivery document number is 500, and item number is mouse for 20, and 123. Okay, this is also 20, and this is the mouse, and the delivering quantity is 1, and 05/01/2023. Okay, and here the sales delivery document number is 500, and the date is document date is 05/01, and the quantity is 1, delivering quantity is 1, delivery 2, delivery 3 is not available because already delivered. Okay, so pending quantity is 0 here. Okay, pending quantity is 0. How many quantities the customer is ordering? All the quantities we are delivering here. So the pending quantity is 0. So this is the requirement. Okay, sales order numbers and delivery information. I want to merge the data, and I want to display in a single, in the single line I want to display here. Okay, delivery 1, delivery 2, delivery 3. This all information we want to display in a single line. Okay, now you already know about select queries. Okay, select queries and you know about for loop also. And you know record count. Okay, record count, and insert the data in the internal table. Okay, and local variables declaration. Okay, and something, select options, and which concept we will use in this one. I hope these concepts enough here. Okay, to do this requirement, okay, we need to use these all things. We need to write some select queries, and we need to uh, uh, okay, select queries and joins we have to use here. Okay, and for loop we have to use in this requirement, and you need to know some record count, and you need to use something, insert the data in the internal table. Okay, how to pass the data from one internal table to another internal table, and local variables declaration, how to use the local variables declarations, and select options we have to apply. So these all things you already know. Okay, you just try to implement this one, just understand the business here and try to implement this requirement. Okay, and tomorrow we will discuss about it. And here participating tables are VBAK and VBAP and VBRP, or sorry, LIPS for delivering, right, and LIKP. Okay, and VBELN, and here also VBELN, and here AUDAT. Okay, sales document date will come here, and here postner will come, and matner will come, and KWMENZ. Okay, coming to leaps, VBELN, and here also VBELN, and here postner will come, and here also LFDAT something. Okay, just check it, LFDAT something will be there, and here something LFIMZ quantity, and VGBEL and VGPOS. Okay, so these four tables will participate in this requirement. Okay, the link fields are, so VBELN is there. You need to pass this VBELN to VGBEL in LAPS. Okay, this is the link fields. I have given the link fields here, and you just try to implement this one. Okay, then you can understand a bit more. Okay, and tomorrow we will discuss this requirement. If you are not getting, or if you are struggling at any place, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, then tomorrow we will meet at 6 a.m. Then bye. Jai Hind.